Hello, I'm Sondra Berger. I'm a retired professor and cancer researcher, and I'm going to be leading a course called Cancer Literacy. So you might say, well, why cancer? Well, cancer has been a devastating disease, and in the U.S., about one there's about one person dies every minute from a cancer-related illness. Now, the good news is that as of 2019, we had 17 million cancer survivors in the country, as opposed to only 3 million in 1971. So there's been real progress. What I'll talk about is something about, well, first, defining literacy. What is literacy? Literacy is basically competency or knowledge. And then cancer literacy is clearly then knowledge in cancer, and in this case, knowledge in evidence-based practices that can be used to basically reduce your risk for getting cancer or even improving your survival if you receive a cancer diagnosis. So evidence-based practices are based on good science. And so in this course, we'll talk about good science. Important to understand some of the new things that are occurring. We'll talk about cancer detection. Cancer detection, there have been some exciting new progress in cancer detection using artificial intelligence to in cancer screens to improve the reliability of diagnoses. We'll be talking about some of the newer tests that are used, where in a single test, you can actually determine or screen for multiple cancers. We'll actually be talking about also other progress in cancer therapies. In the year ending in July of 2020, 20 new cancer drugs were approved by the FDA. That's tremendous progress. Some of those cancer drugs include cancer drugs that are used to target specific changes in cancers that drive the cancer. They drive the cancer's growth as well as its survival. We'll talk about drugs that are used to trigger the immune system to attack a cancer. These are exciting therapies. We'll talk about what is cancer. Cancer is not just a single disease, it's multiple types of disease. And we'll talk about some of those concepts. And finally, I'll provide resources that you can use in the future if you have questions or you want to just follow up on some of the issues that I talked about in the class. So please join me in this class. I would love to have you. We're going to be having the class in the month of April. Bring a friend. We have if you register, you can bring one friend or family member for free. So I hope to see you soon.